Hi, welcome to the revision station. Today we are going to study there is and there are. We use there is and there are to talk about things we can see or things that exist. There is to talk about one thing. Let's see some examples. There is a cat on the sofa. There is an apple on the table. There is a book in my bag. Remember, use a, or, an, with there is. We use there are when we talk about two or more things. Let's have a look. There are 2 cats on the sofa. There are 3 apples on the table. There are many books in my bag. Remember, do not use a, or, an with plurals. You must add an s to the noun. Here are some more examples for you. There is a pen on the desk. There are pens on the desk. There is a spider on the wall. There are butterflies in the garden. It's quiz time. Say the sentence out loud. Great job, everyone. Write some sentences in the comments to practice by yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. See you next time.